Hey everybody, the ROYSWIRE channel here. Ever thought there's gotta be a better way? In our fast-paced lives, everyone loves a good shortcut. Get ready to upgrade your life with these mind-blowing hacks.
We've all been there, that tangled mess of cords behind your TV or under your desk. Fear not, we're tackling this beast with a surprising weapon, the humble toilet paper roll. Wind those unruly cables into neat bundles and tuck them inside their designated rolls. Boom! Instant organization.
Picture this. You're simmering a delicious pot of pasta when suddenly, whoosh, the starchy water boils over. But fear not, we have a simple solution, a wooden spoon. Lay it across the top of your pot, and it acts like a magical barrier, preventing a starchy flood on your stovetop.
Need a sound boost but no speaker? Your trusty toilet paper roll saves the day. Slide your phone in, speaker side down, and voila, a DIY amplifier.
Garlic, the aromatic hero of countless dishes. But peeling those cloves can be fiddly. Place the clove on a board and press with a knife. You'll hear a satisfying crack and the skin will peel itself off.
We love our laptops, but they can get toasty after hours of use. Don't let overheating slow you down. Grab an empty egg carton and cut it in half. Place the halves upside down and rest your laptop on top. It's a mini cooling platform, cheaper than fancy stands.
We've all been there wrestling with a roll of tape, seeking that elusive end. Next time you're wrapping a present or tackling a DIY project, reach for a humble bread tag. Fold the tape end over the bread tag and press firmly. Now you've got a built-in tab to find the end easily.
Pet hair be gone. The rubber glove trick. Pet owners, I feel your pain. Those furry friends bring joy, but also shedding. Put on gloves and run your hands over the surfaces. The rubber creates static electricity, attracting pet hair like a magnet.
Freshen up your garbage disposal, citrus power. Garbage disposals can get funky. Instead of harsh chemicals, try citrus peels. Save lemon, lime or orange peels. Toss a few down the disposal, run cold water. Citrus oils neutralize odors.
Hull-free strawberries, the straw technique. Strawberries, those juicy, vibrant gems of summer. Grab a straw and press it through the bottom. The hull pops off, leaving perfectly prepped berries.
Wine chilling with a grateful twist. Nothing beats a chilled glass of wine on a warm day. Enter our frozen friends grapes. Wash and dry a bunch of grapes. Now you've got elegant reusable ice cubes that chill your wine without diluting flavor. Sparkling clean, microwave, vinegar to the rescue. Microwave looking a little worse for wear. Mix water and vinegar in a microwave-safe bowl and heat for 5 minutes. Remove the bowl and wipe the microwave with a damp cloth.
Binder clips, your cable management heroes. Remember those tangled cables? Clip these handy helpers along your desk edge and thread your cables through the metal arms. No more cords dangling behind your desk like a digital jungle.
Travel hack. Shoes in shower caps. Packing for a trip? Keep your clothes fresh and clean with this hack. Slip each shoe into a shower cap before packing. This prevents dirt and grime from transferring onto your clothes.
Reseal those snacks. The plastic bottle trick. Frustrated with chip bags that won't stay closed? Grab a clean, empty plastic bottle. Cut off the top portion, including the neck and cap. Thread the chip bag through the bottle neck, fold it, and screw the cap back on. Sunglasses to the rescue DIY phone stand. Watching videos on your phone but tired of holding it? Fold your sunglasses and position them upside down. Rest your phone horizontally on the folded arms, adjusting the angle as needed. Enjoy hands-free viewing, banishing water stains with a hairdryer. Pesky white rings from water glasses can ruin your wood furniture. Grab your hairdryer. Set it to high heat and aim it at the stain, moving it back and forth. The heat evaporates the trapped moisture, making those marks disappear. Lost something small? Vacuum to the rescue. Dropped an earring or tiny screw and can't find it? Cover the vacuum hose end with pantyhose, secure with a rubber band. Turn on the vacuum and move it slowly over the area.
Keeping brown sugar, soft marshmallows to the rescue. Nothing's more frustrating than finding your brown sugar has hardened into a solid brick. Toss a few marshmallows into your brown sugar bag or container before sealing it. Marshmallows help retain moisture, keeping your brown sugar soft and scoopable.
Lint rollers, not just for clothes anymore. Use them on lampshades to pick up dust, lint, and pet hair effortlessly.
Taming plastic bag, chaos. The tissue box solution, plastic grocery bags, we all have them, but they can quickly turn into a mess. Stuff those plastic bags into an empty tissue box, pulling one out like tissues. So there you have it, 20 life hacks to make your life easier and more efficient. Try these tips and transform your everyday tasks. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome hacks. Until next time, happy hacking.